Manmana Bhavamad Bhakto Madhyaji. Manmana Bhav. Your mind, the Manmana Bhav. Your mind is always full of Krodh Bhav, Bhayam Bhav, hatred. I can't ignore you, otherwise I would be a hypocrite. I would be going against my own shastras, violating my own statements. You're surrendered unto me, you're always thinking of me. Alright, stand at the gate. Praman Brahmasihujya. Stay, I'm blinded by the light. You can't see me, because I'm blinded by the light. You can't see my form, and very good, I can't see your form. But you stay there eternally. You'll be part of my effulgence. But you, my dear Uddhav, you, my dear coward boys, oh my gopis, oh my sadhana gopis, you come, Antaranga. You come near me, come close to me, I'll embrace you, I'll dance with you, I'll kiss you. I'll give the tambul from my mouth, the tambul batika. The pan I will pass from my mouth to your mouth. That's how much close and intimate I am. I want to be with you. That tanmayatam. Yanti haro tanmayatam. Hite. So Jiva Goswami says this. He says the negative emotions you get suyuja, but the positive ones, you relish the rasa of being Krishna's mother, or you relish the rasa of being Krishna's lover, or you relish the ras, the surit ras, or sakya ras, of being Krishna's bosom buddy and intimate playmate and friend. It's a matter of the desire. So this is very nice, word for word meaning.